সো হে গাইস, ওয়েলকাম মাই চ্যানেল। সবাই কেমন আছো? আজকে হচ্ছে ডিসঅ্যাপিয়ারেন্স অফ বিশ্বভানু চক্রবর্তী ঠাকুর। ওনার জন্ম হয় 1626 এবং মারা যায় 1907 সালে গুড়িয়া বৈষ্ণব বনগণ দেবগ্রামে, যেটা হচ্ছে এখন মুর্শিদাবাদে অবস্থিত। ওনার প্যারেন্টস হচ্ছেন রাধীশ ব্রহ্মস। He also had two brothers named Rambhadra and Raghunatha. His initial guru of Siyotok Chakrabarti of Saidabad, Mushirabad, who was fourth in the line of Narottam Das. Vishwanath Chakrabarti resided with his guru for many years and composed many books during that time. His studies of grammar, poetry, rhetoric were completed while he still lived at Nadia. There is a story that he defeated one conquering Pandit while he himself was still only a student. From his childhood, he has completely indifferent to household life in order to keep him at home. His father had him married at a very young age. However, he finally renounced said family life and came to live. Sri Chakrabarti Thakur took up residence with Mukunda Das, who lived in Krishnananda Kaviraj Goswami's Bhajan Kutir at Radhakunda. There he have initially studied the books and letter of Goswamis and composed many commentaries on their writings. He used to worship the deity named Golokananda. He was also known by the pen name Haribalabadash, under which he wrote a number of Vaishnava songs, most notably the famous song Sri Guru Garbhastamkam. In sung every morning during Mangal Arati around the 4:30 am in every ISKCON temple throughout the world. He composed the book Gaudiya Vaishnava Theology, Brajariti Chintamani, Kamatakra Chandrika, Prema Samputta, Gita Bali, Shubodhini, a commentary on a Alankara Kastaba, Ananda Chandrika, a commentary of Ujjaval Niramoni, a commentary on the Gopala Tapani Upanishad সহ এরকম আরও অনেকগুলো বই উনি লিখেছে। হি ডায়েড অ্যাট বসন্ত পঞ্চমী, দ্য মান্থ অফ মাঘ মাসে উনি মারা যান আর কি। তো যে কারণে আজকে ওনার মৃত্যুবার্ষিকী পালন করা হয়। তো এই ছিল ওনার সম্পর্কে বলা। দেখা হবে নেক্সট গুড বাই।